Hi, and welcome to New Feature Friday. My name is Keith, and I'm a platform engineer here at Cortex. And today I want to show off some of the improvements we've been making to our catalog search. We've recently been working on overhauling our search engine so it's faster, more accurate, and more consistent. We've simplified and standardized the syntax so we support Boolean operations such as and, or not, and you can also compound these operations with parentheses. This allows for users to make complex queries in a simple way. For example, I could say payments, and this returns 3 results. Or I could say payments and not API, and this excludes the API from the search results. We've also added UX improvements around suggestions and autocomplete. We can select items in the dropdown without typing to complete a query. So I can click on tag and then select billing. Finally, if we attempt a query that doesn't return any results in our catalog, if there's a looser query we can find a match for, we suggest it as an alternative. So for example, if I search API and gateway, this doesn't return any matches, but API does, so we suggest search for API here. We also suggest clearing the search here as well. So we can search for API and we get our results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Friday.